Okay guys, so today is going to be a maintenance day for me because I need my nails done bad, and my baby daddy told me go get cute, go get my hair and nails and stuff done. But I have these clip-ins that came from Amazon. I forgot the company that sent it to me. I'm gonna look it up and link it down below, but these are the clip-ins, so I want to put them in. And I had did a silk press last week, but it didn't last because it wanted to rain and be all misty and stuff in Atlanta. So yeah, but in this video it's going to be a maintenance vlog, but it's going to be split up because I can't do everything in one day because I got kids. It's not going to happen. So I'm going to straighten my hair real quick because I was over it and I threw that shit in the ponytail because the weather was pissing me off. So let's flat iron this hair real quick and then we're gonna do the clip-ins.
Look, I just flipped the switch. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Body start to drop. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top. Hey, this a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot. Shit that's super hot. Hey, give me my.
Alright, so I flat ironed my hair. Nice and straight. Nice and straight. How I just sneeze and my lashes coming off. This is why I get lash extensions. I knew I put the glue on and forgot. It had dried up and I gotta redo it. It's some bullshit. The back of my hair. Nope, I can't see, so it is not gonna be a straight part. Okay. Let me see. Good enough. So, am I putting all the clip-ins in? Probably not. These are the clip-ins. Shit, I gotta hurry up. Because although it is maintenance day, I gotta go to court for a fucking ticket. Because I got a ticket taking my car to the shop. I am 34 years old, okay? I have not gotten a ticket since 18 years old. Do the math. And alright, so I'm taking my clip-ins. I have the 3-clip one for the back. Once again, y'all know I can't see, but let's see. Get as close as you can. Comb it down. Just like that. And it is snug, baby. Just like that. Okay? I will flat iron. Shit, I'm running out of freaking time.
I just took it left like on every deck. Bitch, I moved through London with the Euro steps. Gotta shoot the deal and I ain't taking sweat. That's because I'm gone. I go from 6 to 23 like I'm LeBron. Serving up a pack. Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared to rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look. Hey, I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm an unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him, got him all bitter. I'm a bill printer, I'm a grave digger. Yeah, I am what I am. I don't have no time for no misunderstandings again. This a rolling, not a stop. Watch shit don't never stop. Took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million a pop and that's standard for me. Like I went blind, dog, you gotta hand it to me. Gotta give me this shit. I prayed, then I prayed again. Had a moment, but it came and went. You don't wanna play with him. There'll be morning you like 8 a.m. Pinky ring till I get a wedding ring. Love my brothers, cut them in on anything. And you know it's King Slime, Drizzy, damn. She just said I'm bad, I hit the thizzle dance, man. Drink shit. Either hand is the upper hand. Yeah, shit. Got a bubba on my other hand. Yeah, this shit ain't no 100 bands.
I am behind time. It's 7:51. I need to be out my door by 8 o'clock, and I ain't. So yeah, I'm gonna be late. What else is this? This is my clip-ins, guys. Next location is the nail salon.
Either hand is the upper hand. Yeah, shit. Got a bubba on my other hand. Yeah, this shit ain't no 100 bands. Palace look like Buckingham. Bill so big, I call them billions for real. Reasons to go crazy, got 1 trillion for real. They been trying me, but I'm resilient for real. I can't go in public like civilian for real. And I'll hardly take offense. Money for revenge, man, that's hardly an expense. I Heyman checks off of all of my events. I like all the profit, man, I hardly do percents. A big part of me resents niggas that I knew from when I started in this shit. They see what I got, and man, it's hard to be content. Fuck what they got going on, I gotta represent. Hey.
Today is Friday, December 16th, and guys, yesterday my day did not go the way I wanted it to go. If I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm driving. So I am going today to get my eyebrows done because I didn't feel like being bothered yesterday. Plus my kids had a half a day, so I had to get home. So now I'm about to go get me and the baby some Chick-fil-A breakfast, and then we're going to the brow. Yeah, they hear you. And then I'm going to get my brows done, and I need to go to the beauty supply store. And I can already see from where I'm at, bless you baby, the Chick-fil-A line is long and breakfast is over at 10:30. So it looks like I'm going to be ordering on my phone and they can bring it outside. So yes guys, I will be bringing you guys along because like I said, this is a maintenance vlog. This is my first time doing a maintenance vlog, and I want to keep doing maintenance vlogs. So if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this is what Chick-fil-A is looking like. Freaking nice. Freaking nice. This is what it's looking like. I just want to get food. All right, we got our Chick-fil-A, so I'm about to give the baby his hash browns, and I'm about to start heading to get my eyebrows done.
Niggas pulling gimmicks cause they scared of rap. Funny how they shook. Pulling back the curtain by myself, take a look. Hey, I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm an unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him, got him all bitter.
Alright guys, so I'm sure y'all probably wondering, like, wait, in the first video on Thursday she had clip-ins. What happened on Friday? The weather. By the time we left court, it was misty, cloudy. My ends of my hair started puffing up. It was not blending in good with the clip-ins no more. I was not about to be walking around looking a mess. I took those clip-ins out in my car. But I am about to record a video putting on a lace frontal wig, so stay tuned for that one. I hope you guys enjoyed my first maintenance vlog. I will be doing more videos like this. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram at @lavishlooks_by KiKi. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.